Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.2.07. Identify the features to select. Features are not included in the cost workup without entering dimensions. Begin entering pedestal dimensions by selecting features on the elevation pedestal sheet. A feature is defined by location and/or function on the fixture. The features are standard terminology and descriptions used in fixture design and construction. Features include base, display, bulkhead, door, drawer, shelf, graphics, signs, light, power, fan, light box, glorifier, and more. Choose the pedestal features by clicking buttons that start with DMNS and contain the appropriate descriptive name. The macro buttons for the 6 features used in the example switch to the project dimension sheet to enter each feature's 5 dimensions. The instructions example features are the following. 1. DMNS SCTN_10A means dimensions, section 1, overall. 2. DMNS SCTN_1 BASE means dimensions, section 1, base. 3rd. DMNS SCTN_1 KICKLEG means dimensions, section 1, kick/leg. 4. DMNS SCTN BSE GLS TP means dimensions, section 1, base glass top. 5. DMNS SCTN 1 DOR BSE A or L LWR means dimension, section 1, door, base, all or left, lower. 6. DMNS SCTN 1 SHLF BSE A or L LWR means dimensions, section 1, shelf, base, all or left, lower. 2 sets of dimensions are entered for doors. The first set of dimensions are the opening size. The second set of dimensions are the door panel size. The features do not have to be entered in a specific sequence. Feature dimensions have to be entered in a specific sequence. Dimensions are always in the sequence: width, depth, height of section, height accumulated, and quantity. Entering dimensions is the first step to include a feature in the cost workup. Entering prices is the second step necessary to complete the cost workup calculation. This example 2.2.07 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.2.08.